Welcome to the AI revolution in mechanical engineering. AI is rapidly transforming the field of mechanical engineering. For university students, understanding AI's role is crucial as it will shape the industry's future. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. By harnessing AI, engineers can develop more efficient, reliable, and sustainable solutions. AI-powered software can generate thousands of design iterations, each optimized for specific parameters. This speeds up the design process and leads to better outcomes. Students entering the field must be prepared to embrace these changes. By understanding AI principles, students can position themselves at the forefront of this exciting revolution. In this section, we explore AI-powered design, optimizing for efficiency and innovation. AI is transforming the design process, allowing for optimization and innovation. Generative design algorithms explore a wide range of possibilities, considering multiple constraints and objectives. Topology optimization uses AI to optimize material distribution, creating strong and light structures. AI-powered design tools help engineers come up with entirely new concepts. This opens up exciting possibilities for innovation in mechanical engineering. In this section, we delve into smart manufacturing AI's impact on production processes. AI is making manufacturing processes smarter, more efficient, and adaptable. Predictive maintenance analyzes data from sensors to predict equipment failures. This minimizes downtime and reduces costs. AI-powered vision systems inspect products with high accuracy and speed. These systems ensure only high-quality products make it to market. AI optimizes production processes by identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies. This improves productivity and reduces waste. AI can also optimize the supply chain, predicting demand and managing inventory. The result is a more agile and responsive manufacturing operation.